Hello everyone, this is Vishal Sharma. I welcome you all to TRCAC EduVedha. Today we are here to learn HTML, and in HTML there is a very important topic you all know, image mapping. Today I am going to elaborate and demonstrate about image mapping, that what is image mapping, how we use image mapping, how to map image and how to link image through different images. So I will explain you this image mapping concept with a live demonstration with the programming of HTML, and here it is a notepad. I had opened it, and here we will be demonstrating live example of HTML. So let us see. I am starting with the HTML code. First I am writing the basic structure of HTML, that is HTML head, title, end of head tag, body tag, end of body tag, end of HTML. As we all know, this is the basic structure of HTML, and as we all also know that tags are of two types, container tag and empty tag. Here I have used all the container tag. You can see HTML open, HTML close, head tag open, head tag close, title open, title close, body tag open, body tag close. So the tags which is open and close both, they are called as container tag. So here I had used all container tags. I will be giving title to this program. For example, I am giving image mapping. Okay, so title is always used to give title to your title bar. This name will be displayed on the title bar, so I am giving name as image mapping for our further reference. Let us start with the image mapping. Before starting with the image mapping, let us download one image. We'll go on Google, and here we will be downloading one image. For example, I am taking one example of sample images. Any image you can download, any image of your choice. For example, if I am downloading this image, okay, let us take this image, save as. I am saving it on desktop only, naming the image, so here our image is saved on the desktop. You can see. Okay, so we have downloaded the image. I'll show you the image. This is our image on the desktop, and we will make sure that wherever we are saving our HTML file, our image location should be on the same place to make sure that image is getting uploaded on the web page. So here I have downloaded the image. I will show you the image one. Let us insert image. For inserting image, we know that we use IMG SRC, and as we have our image and our file location is on the same place, so we just need to write the image name, that is image1.jpg. It is very important to know the format of the image. Either it can be PNG, either it can be JPG, either it can be WEBP. So select the image accordingly. Along with this, we will be also saving here the alt name, because if your image doesn't get uploaded on the web page, alt will help you to rectify that wherever your image is. So alt name is very important. I am giving image only as an alt name. And as I have told you that we are going to learn about image mapping, so here I will be using a concept of image map. Here I am telling the program that I am using image mapping. I am using map name over here, and for using map name, it is very important to give hashtag. Hashtag, for example, I will be giving name as EduVedha. I am giving the name EduVedha only. So this tells the program that this particular program is of image mapping. Okay, so after giving name of, after using use map, it is important to give map name. So I am giving map name here. Map name is equals to whatever is the name of our use map, we will be calling here to the same EduVedha. So use map ka name is also EduVedha, and your map name ka name will be EduVedha. After deciding the name to the map name, it is important to select the area. You will tell the program that what area you are selecting. So if I am selecting area here, and I am saying shape is equals to poly, for example. Before moving ahead, let us check how our program is looking like, how our web page is looking like. So I will be saving this program with image map.html, for example. Let us save it on desktop only. Image map.html. I am saving this. Let us see whether our so you can see our file is located here. I am opening this file. with Google or any browser you can use for this. I'm using Google here. You can see our image is loaded. You can see our image is there on the web page, right? This is the only image we have inserted. Okay, now before inserting image, we have to open this image with Paint to get the mapping location. So I'm opening it with Paint. This is our image which we have uploaded on the web page. Now the very first shape I have taken poly. What I am doing is I am just selecting rectangle here and I am selecting this mountain ka top part. Okay, I am making rectangle on the top of the mountain and I will be mapping this on my web page. To map this, we need the coordinates. What I will be doing is I will be finding the coordinates. Student, this is very important to find the coordinates and it should be very proper so that you will be getting the map. See my cursor. My cursor is on the extreme left of the rectangle. This is the point. You have to find the coordinate diagonally. So here I have placed it and you can find the coordinates from this place, that is 275, 404, which is very important to find. So without this you won't be getting the coordinates. So after this poly, I will be using coordinates. Chords is equals to, let us see the size again. Here it is 274, 401. So 274, 401. Same way, as I have told you, we have to find diagonally. So I will find it diagonally from this side. The size is 840. Make sure it is perfect. So it is 854, 678. So I will be writing 854, 678. And let us give a link to this. I am giving reference to gmail.com. So https gmail.com for example, and let us check. After this we need to check whether our web page is actively navigating to gmail.com or not. So this is our web page. For checking that whether rectangle is there on the web page, we will press tab button. After pressing tab button, yes, we are able to see rectangle, and let us check whether this rectangle is navigating to gmail.com or not. Now you can see our rectangle is navigating us to the gmail.com, and this is what our image mapping is. Image mapping basically means multiple image mapping on a single image. So here you can see I had used rectangle. Same way we can use polygon. I will show you the live demonstration of polygon also. I am copying this, pasting. For rectangle we had used rectangle. For polygon we will be using poly. Let us find the chord for poly. Let us go on Paint. Take shape of rectangle, triangle. This is triangle. I am drawing triangle here on the chord. As we have find the coordinates of rectangle, same way we will find the coordinates of triangle. As we all know, triangle has three sides, so we need to find three coordinates, and that is x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. So first we will find the x1, y1. This is our x1, y1. You can see 111, 1099, 51. So I will write that 1099, 51. Same way for the second coordinates, that is x2, y2. We will find this chord, and this chord is 962, 281. So I will write here 962, 380, 281. Again to the last coordinate, that is x2, y2, x3, y3. This is the coordinate, and we will write 1241, 281. So I will write 1241, 281. And let us give some different hyperlink to this. I am giving facebook.com. Let us save and refresh the web page. Let us check whether our shape has appeared on the web page or not. So for checking this shape again, we will be pressing tab button. First tab will be a rectangle. Here it is our rectangle. You can check. Second tab should be a triangle. You can see triangle has appeared, and to this link we have given facebook.com. So let us click here. Okay, so you can check facebook.com has come on the web page. So we have successfully inserted two shapes on the single image, and we have inserted two different links to the different shapes. And this is what image mapping works. This is how image mapping works, and this is what image mapping is. So this was all about image mapping. I hope the concept was clear, and for more such video, subscribe TRCAC EduVedha. Thank you.